So please, 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 please share me with your friends and tell them to just, tune in, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm self-taught, but, somebody likes it. So just encourage them, tell them that she's interesting. Subscribe to her channel. Hit the notification bell. Share me with your friends. Give me some ideas of some things you'd like to see me upscale, revamp. I enlarge clothing. I make clothing smaller in size. I'm trying to, had a setback because I got sick, but I'm trying to, this summer, wear nothing but my clothes, either that I've made or that I've revamped and upscaled. So you guys, I can't vote. I wanted to, show you guys some things and ask you what you wanted me to do with them or give me some ideas, but you guys can't vote. You can't tell me. You can leave comments, but you can't, like if I want to do a poll, you guys can't vote or anything until I get 1,000 or more subscribers. So help me out. Alright, so this is the inside pocket that we have attached. And remember, any embellishments or anything that you want to do, I don't know if you guys can see that stitches are all nice and pretty. You've got to do it before you put the bag together, because if you decide to do it after you put the bag together, I'm not going to say never, never, never that you'll be able to do it, but I know for myself that would be a hard task, and it would take so long to try to add something once you put the bag together. So remember, always, always, always do any embellishments, pockets, snaps. Oh, I think I'm going to put a snap on it. Just depends on how the time and I go tonight. Make sure you do it before you put the bag together. Alright, this is the inside. Now I'm going to attach the pockets that I've already put on the bag to the outside. So, alright, I got the last pocket. We're sewing it on. I gave up the idea of trying to trace the thread that was already on there. It's hard to go behind somebody else's work, so kind of got kind of like an invisible thread, and we're gonna do it our way. Ain't nobody got time to be trying to trace behind somebody else. It just ain't gonna work. And sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna do it, but you gotta know when to hold them, and you gotta know when to fold them. And how about we gonna fold them? Zippers, but I think it's kind of hard to put, well, it's not hard, but you want to be able to fill your tote as, all the way to the rim, and if you put a zipper, it's got to be an inset zipper, and that's going to take up some of the space that you could otherwise use to fill it up. If you go to the grocery store, you might have bread, some bakery bread alone, Italian type bread. You might just have some stuff you want to hang out the bag, the tote. How about that? So we're going to do a snap. Especially when you get close to the snaps. break no needles. Alright, so as you can see, we've got our pockets are on. Both didn't have and did my measuring so my jean pockets are on. So now we are going to put my snaps on, and then we're going to sew our bag together. Oh, we got to put our straps on. Can't forget our straps. We are towards the end. I put the snaps on. You guys saw me do the pockets. The straps are on. There's the outside pockets. They're inside, so that when the magic happens, we're going to experience that together. But this is the lining. Everything is serged, very professional looking. This is the hole that I'm going to use to pull the bag through. So that's waiting. And here are the straps that are in the inside. You gotta always make sure that everything is out of the way when you start the top stitch. This is going to the end stages. So what I'm going to do now is basically sew all the way around. The straps are out the way. The snaps are out the way. So I like to pin everything down just to keep everything lined up. Put on my little pin collector here. I really love this because it has a magnet inside, so I'm not stressing about, trying to stick the pins in. We're done. I am so excited. This is my first bag since I've been home from the hospital, you guys. And this one is for a friend. So what we're going to do is take our bag. You always want to leave a opening big enough to put your hand through, which I've done. Everything is serged. So you kind of want to bring the bag together so that you're not tearing your stitches that you've already, made. So I'm kind of, because we're going to have to iron it anyway. So I am pulling it through. Like I said, this is for a friend of mine. And I had this idea to do something funky with the straps. As you can see, there's my label, Rift the Wear by Nette, and my email address, acobes1@hotmail.com. I also have to go through it with the damp cloth because I'm also, there's some chalk marks, you want to make sure everything is even and on point. So, just aftercare, that's what I call it. So you see, I did box bottom, and as you can see, it's very professional because all the stitches line up. Again, the stitches line up. So this is, this is the lining, and that's the bag. So what you do, and you can see, snap the head and the tail of the snap, and you basically just put everything on the inside. You could actually, another top stitch. This is our boxed bottom top stitch. So you're just basically gonna put everything on the inside of the bag. And some people like to leave some of the lining poke out, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. You can basically roll it, and then you can do a top stitch just to keep everything down. I'm gonna see how it does. And as you can see, also professional. Your stitches line up. This is the side of the bag. This is the side of the lining, and everything lines up. Very professional. Same thing on this side. And what I did, so what I'm going to do is continue to roll everything in the bottom. Sometimes I may stitch here just to hold the lining in place. But you guys don't need to sit through all of that. So I'm going to continue to roll this in the bottom of the bag, and then I'll probably do a top stitch. But here are the straps on the front. I took the straps, or the waistband from a pair of jeans, and I thought I added a little extra touch to it, and You know, they're supposed to be doing away with the plastic grocery bags, so this would make a nice grocery bag. So see, you took some pockets from an old pair of jeans, and I also have pockets on the inside for your cell phone, your keys, and the only other thing that I've got to do is to iron this and then sew the inside of the bag together, and then we are done. Another creation by Rip the Wear by Nette. Peace, you guys. I thank you so much for your support and what we're shooting for. I remember when I was like, I'm trying to get to 100 views. Guys, we are over 4,000 views, and I thank you guys so very much. With the changes with YouTube, now you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers in order to record live, do voting, some places, even to leave comments. So I'm asking you guys to share me, to like me, to give me a thumbs up, and most of all to subscribe. Share me with your friends. Tell them, hey, I'm self-taught, but the girl got some good things going on over there. And I would love for you to be a part of the family. So again, this is Annette with Rip the Wear by Nette, ripthewear.com, Facebook, Annette Codes. So check me out. Snapchat, ACodes87. So you guys just check me out. Everything will be below. I appreciate again your help. I thank you for your prayers and just reaching out when I wasn't feeling well. You know my anthem, reach out and touch someone. You never know what a person is going through, and just one simple phone call from you could make their day. Again, I thank you for your support. Thumbs up, subscribe. Rip the Wear by Nette, checking out. You guys have a great one, and until next time, on to the next. Bye. Alright, you guys, this is the finished product, and I am hoping that my friend is going to like it. Here's the pockets, the idea that I had. It is a boxed bottom, which means it will stand up, big enough to put all your goodies inside. It has a snap, and of course I had to put my label. You can see that. You can get it just right. I don't know why sometimes when you zoom in you don't get the complete picture, but there it is. Rip the Wear. Rip the Wear by Nette. It also has pockets on the inside. And there you go. So as we say, on to the next. Once again, be kind. Pick up the phone. If someone's on your mind, give them a call. Because I'm telling you, when I was sick, you know, sometimes, even though I had my tablets, I prayed my Bible, you still get a little lonely when you're in the hospital, when you're sick, because you're caught up from everything. You're cut off from your friends, you know, so just pick up the phone and say, hey, I was thinking about you. You never know what that will do for someone, and hey, what it'll do for you. Again, like, share, all of that good stuff. All right, and subscribe. All right, you guys, have a great one. Bye.